guys, we are going to do a look because that's the only thing I can do right now is a look. So first off, we're gonna prime our face. Moisturize, because we need it. See what you do? Double the palette. I haven't gotten my brows done for over 2 months. They're looking kind of bushy, but we can fix that. Every time I do my brows, I try to make them even as possible, but sometimes it doesn't work. My face is not even. That's the problem. Yo, people see me with straight hair all the time, and this is my natural hair. I put my hair in a bun every time I shower. After I shower, and this is always the result. People be thinking I have straight, sleek hair. Like, you thought I straighten my hair all the time because of this madness. We're gonna outline our brows. Quarantine literally made me develop skills that I didn't even know I had, and also it made me try 50 billion hairstyles. Like, we're never putting our hair down anymore. It's always gonna be up, especially in a high pony. I waste so much makeup just to stay at home. I hate when I talk in a camera. Even though I've been talking to the camera for like a year now, I still find it really awkward to talk in front of the camera, especially like if I'm talking with my friends. Like if I'm filming stuff with my friends, I feel like it's so awkward. I don't know what it is. It's like, even if I'm super comfortable around them, I still feel that awkwardness of me trying to talk in front of the camera. Like, I'd rather talk to myself in my room by myself or in the car. I'm trying this new thing where I contour with a concealer, and I think it's working. I think it's going good so far. I don't have a beauty blender. I think I need a beauty blender now. I know it's not blended properly, but we're gonna blend it later with powder. Is that bad? I think it's bad. Oh my god, it's still so bad. I'm not an expert on makeup, okay? So like, if you're watching, I know some people watch my videos and I know they judge, okay? That's facts. Trust me, it's always like that. So like, at the end of the day, all you gotta do is put more content so they can keep on watching. Hey guys. Oh god damn it, look at that. It's like someone punched me in the face. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I'm just gonna try to fix it with the concealer. On camera, it looks so bad, but in person, it looks okay. I'm gonna try to go for like pinky neutral look today. Do you ever find it very satisfying to do your makeup and then you take lots of pictures, lots of selfies? After that, you're just like, all I'm doing is going in the kitchen. I'm wondering like when quarantine will be over so I can pop off with my new self. I think like the old Reza was left before quarantine started. I wouldn't say like my personality changed, but the way I've like styled my hair and makeup, it's so different now. Okay, I'm wondering, because like I follow people on Instagram who work at Aritzia, right? They keep posting stuff on their Instagram. I'm wondering, are they still getting paid? They're just posting like all of these numbers, these product numbers of the shirts and like pants, and I follow like probably 5 people who work at Aritzia, and that's what they're doing. All they're doing is just styling the pieces and promoting the product code like
number 447 available now.
And I'm just like, oh, okay. But like, if I work at Aritzia, will I become an influencer now? Okay, we're gonna put this pink on the outer crease. As much as I miss going to work and stuff, I really don't want to go back to work. I just want to film and do what I love to do, which is film and edit. I don't want to be an influencer, but I just want to create content. You know what I mean? I'm in my happy place whenever like I create content. Okay, I'm gonna try to curl my lashes because I still have like a little bit of extensions. Ow! Okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna mix these two lip combos. And then the fun part, which is the lip gloss. If my contour is not blended, I'm so sorry. I don't think I should have used a concealer, but from far away it looks better, right? So the hairstyle we're gonna go for. So this is how I wave my hair. And then for the other pieces, I'm going to curl them. Should I tell you guys a story time? I don't even have any stories to tell you guys. I feel like I need to talk more, but who's trying to have the energy for that? You ever realize whenever you start talking to someone and then you get used to like their vocabulary, isn't it weird how like you start talking like them? But like, I appreciate you.
Yes.
She did some. You know what's crazy? That girls do their makeup for themselves. You know when guys say,
"Oh, who are you looking good for?"
Me? What do you mean? Like, are you dumb? This is all for me. 5% it's for the men, 90% it's for myself, you know? I remember I cried in school one time. I was wearing lashes, right? And my friend, she was like, "Oh, why are you crying? You're gonna waste your eyelashes, your expensive eyelashes." And I was like,
You're right, you're right.
okay, now for the outfit.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the vibe. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man.